I'm Monica from the Homesteading Housewife, and I have been tagged. Okay, so there's been a tag going around YouTube. I'm assuming just to get to know a little bit more about all the channels, and I was tagged by Tressa's Stay-at-Home Life. It's 4 questions, and then you tag 3 additional channels. So, question number 1 is, and you'll have to excuse me, I'm getting over the flu. Question number 1 is, name 3 YouTube channels that have inspired you. My first one is Linda's Pantry. I absolutely adore her older canning and cooking videos. Love them. She had a lot of great information on all those. I really enjoy watching them. Heather from the Needy Homesteader. She is just so much fun. I love watching everything that she puts up. And then Guildbrook Farm. And that one is one that my husband and I both enjoy because he is a prepper. And they do prepping and homesteading. And so it just relates a lot to me and my husband, and we really enjoy their channel. And they've had a similar situation, homesteading on small property and then moving off grid. So love that channel. You should check them out if you have not. Number 2 is name 3 things that you are good at. I am good at cooking, and when I say cooking, that includes baking and canning, and I just wrap it all in one. I'm good in the kitchen. I grew up that way. I grew up helping my mom and my mamaw and my dad and, you know, my other set of grandparents. I was always helping in the kitchen, and I just have a real love for it. Absolutely love it. I am at peace when I'm in the kitchen. The second thing that I am good at would be crafts. Anything DIY or like crocheting and sewing, I'm good at those. I self-taught myself on both of them. Granted, my great-grandma crocheted, and all my family sews and everything, but I self-taught all that. Really enjoy all of it too. But I don't know, I'm crafty. I love it. I love it. I love it. And then third would have to just be running a household. I just feel like I was meant to be a stay-at-home mom. I worked full-time jobs. I've worked 2 jobs at once. I've done raising a kid and working. And I feel like this is where I'm meant to be. I feel like this is where I soar, is running the household. My husband doesn't complain, so I assume I'm doing a good job. But those would be the 3 things that I think I am good at. Number 3 is name 3 things that you are excited about. So, number 1 on what I'm excited about would have to be gardening. And that is because I have to keep stopping myself from buying gardening stuff. Like, my Amazon cart is filled with Amazon stuff. My Amazon cart is filled with gardening stuff. Like, I'm waiting to just hit that buy button. I have potato bags because I want to use potato bags for potatoes, and I have my list goes on and on. And like every time I go into Walmart, I have to stop myself and be like, Monica, you are not buying that soil or those seed packets. What are you going to plant in January? But I do it. Like, I just did it yesterday. Like, I want to garden so bad. So that would have to be number 1. And number 2, I am excited about summer in general because of The girls, they are going to be able to actually enjoy it this year. They were too young last year. So they're going to actually enjoy it. They're going to be able to play at the park and play outside with the animals and just enjoy it. And I'm so excited. They got to enjoy a little of the garden last year, and I know that they're going to love it this year. And my son loves summer. If he could be outside from sun up to sundown, he would be a happy camper. So I am really excited about spring, summer, fall, like excited about all of it. And then third would be hatching chickens. I set it on my 2018 goals, and this is the first one that is actually 100% happening. My husband and I were talking the other night, and we decided that do not have to wait until we get somewhere else to hatch chicks. I can just have the incubator here, and then if I don't sell my day-old chicks, then they can go to my grandparents' property. So I am looking for an incubator. I was looking all last night, and it was like Christmas all over again. So as soon as I find an incubator, I will start getting started on hatching chicks. So I will definitely bring you along for that. But I am so excited about that. Number 4 is name 3 things that relax you. Number 1 is canning. I know that may sound weird to some, but canning is so relaxing to me. I am a numbers and puzzle, like, I love it. I don't know how to describe it, but I just immerse myself in it, and I love it. So canning, I will can any time of day, any time of year. My favorite time to can, though, would have to be in the middle of the night. Absolute favorite time to can. And it just relaxes me completely. So that's number 1. Number 2 would be reading or crocheting. I have to be in the mood for one of them, but they are neck and neck. In a book, I can just completely get away, and that relaxes me. Or if I just need to occupy my mind to relax, then I can crochet. So there's that. And then third would be gardening. Really any kind of outside work. My son gets it from me. Whether it's mowing the grass or landscaping or shrubbery or flowers or the actual garden, if I am outside, just my hands in the dirt, I love it. And it is so relaxing and rewarding. But sometimes all I have to do is just sit in my garden. Sometimes if I just need to relax a little bit in the summer, I can just walk out and sit in my garden, and it immediately relaxes me. I don't know what it is. I love it. I love getting my hands dirty and just messing with the outdoors. So those are the 3 things that definitely relax me. I'm definitely a country girl. So I have to shout out 3 channels to tag, and so I am going to shout out Nesting Haven. I just discovered that channel, and I want to shout out to them, tag them. So Nesting Haven, that 1870s homestead, I want to hear from you. I just discovered them too, and I like them a lot. And the third channel is Our Wandering Footprints. So, excuse me. Those are the 3 channels I am shouting out, and I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.